चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Hi friends, this song is dedicated to our friend Mr. Dilip Patil. We are here today to wish him for his new retirement life. I know him since 2006. He is very cooperative, sincere, helpful and smiley person. We have to work together for some of the projects. His excellent ideas and planning of projects helps us to complete the project in time. His coordination with departments and other services is also remarkable. He is very good example of good friend. I don't think your experience is different. Anyway, everyone is going to retire. Retirement is the good phase in our life. After 30 to 35 years struggle and busy life, we are taking rest. We have to take it positively. We get time to concentrate on our hobbies. Also, we can spend more time with family. We have to enjoy the life at this age. We all wish Mr. Dilip Patil for his healthy future life. Thank you.
हाय दिलीप, कसा आहेस? ओळखस ना? छान. मला एक मंगेश पाडगावकरांचं गाणं आठवलं. अशी पाखरे येती आणि स्मृती ठेवून जाती, दोन दिवसांची रंगसंगत, दोन दिवसांची नाती. नाही ऑलमोस्ट 16-17 वर्षांची नाती आहे. ऑलमोस्ट 16 वर्षांची नाती आहेत आणि ती पण एकमधून सुरू झाली आहेत. आपण कधी एकमेकांचे चांगले मित्र झालो हे कळलंसुद्धा नाही आणि ती मैत्री आजतागत टिकून आहे. एकमेकांबरोबर अनेक चांगले मेमोरेबल क्षण घालवले. 2-3 दिवसांनी तू निवृत्त होत आहेस असं म्हणण्यापेक्षा एक फेज संपून दुसरी फेज सुरू होत आहे. तुला आता तुझ्या कुटुंबासाठी जास्त वेळ देता येईल. या नवीन पर्वासाठी तुला अतिशय शुभेच्छा. तसं बघायला गेलो तर तू कुणाशी वाद ना भांडण आणि त्याला म्हणतात मितभाषी. कधी नाही, कधी होय नाही, कधी नेहमी प्रसन्न मनाचा आणि सर्वांशी मिळून मिसळून वागणे. त्यामुळे तू आमच्या जास्त जवळ राहिलास आणि आपले काम शांतपणे करणे असा डाऊन टू अर्थ पाहायला मिळाला. ऑफिसच्या वातावरणात दगदगीच्या वेळी ज्या गोष्टी छंद करायचे राहून गेले ते करावेस तुला आता वेळ मिळेल. पुढील जीवनात लाभो सुखशांती हीच असे ईश्वरचरणी विनंती. धन्यवाद.
Dilip, by end of this month, you are entering in a new phase of life, that is retirement. Since 1.5 decades, we know each other, enjoyed work together, stayed together. I am very lucky to have such a humble and cooperative colleague. Lot of thanks for that. So enjoy your new phase with family. Take required rest you need and be busy with your hobby. I wish you very good health. In this COVID-19 days, we cannot meet, but we will make it. For me, it's difficult to express much in words, but I am proud to have a colleague like you. That's it.
Hi everyone. We have to meet today online for the retirement of Mr. Dilip Patil, a very close and near associate of ours. I would have loved to meet him in person, but due to these current circumstances we have to do this online. I personally know Dilip Patil from working with him on a Petrofac Turkmen gas project, where in spite of the strict deadlines and the high pressure situation, I saw that his positive attitude helped a lot. And that is the kind of person he is. When you talk to him, you immediately feel a reducing of your own pressure. He's a very easygoing person. but at the same time a very action-oriented person also. A lot of the juniors look up to him as a guru, and that is the respect he has from all the people within the department. I would also cherish the memories of the team building events where he has always contributed to the optimum, taking care of everyone, seeing that everyone is comfortable. In all respects, he has been a very good asset to the department, and I hope that he remains an asset even in future. He is always welcome back, and let us hope that he does agree to come back. I wish him all the best, good health and happiness for the future. Thank you.
Hello friends, good evening. Hope all of you are fine and healthy. Actually, it would have been better if we would have got a chance to meet Patil sir in person and wish him. But nevertheless, at least we are virtually together to meet him. Yes. Everybody knows Patil sir. Some know him very closely and some know him by face. But whoever knows him definitely know him as a pleasant, soft-spoken and a helping person. Yes, truly he is. I have worked with him recently also on few pre-bids where you know how demanding the schedule is, and also in the past on the Petrofac project where hundreds of deliverables were required to be issued on that project. But let me tell you, he has a clarity of thoughts and systematic way of approach. He used to plan the work so well and issue the deliverables in time without cribbing about lot of work, complication of work, about the client. He never used to bother about all these things, never used to crib about all these things. He used to just focus on his work and issue the deliverables, his activities on the desired timeline with very methodical approach. And he is all-rounder. Let me tell you, he is not restricted to any specific activities that I will do only, I am a senior person, I will do only substation design. No. He was equally good in substation design, be it a lighting, earthing, fire alarm, PA, telecom, cathodic protection. Even if he does not know, he always has shown the readiness to learn and carry out the activity. He has never said no to any activities or neither was having ego to do any activities. He used to carry out all the activities with the equal dedication. And while doing all this, I have never seen him getting angry or even a frown on his forehead. How he really used to manage the things so well that sometimes if I am in a panic situation, how to meet the deadlines, I used to go to him and then he used to show me a proper way and the planning and assure yes, things can be done, and I would have been in a relaxed position. So really he is a team person, all-rounder, and because he is a team person and very helpful, all the seniors, junior engineers, designers never hesitate to approach him. He has imparted training to so many people with his expertise on cable routing, Areva design, and be it for other PDMS software activities or some AutoCAD guidance. He has imparted very happily to all the engineers and the designers and used to get along with everyone with the same manner. But again, while doing so, he was not only workaholic. He equally used to take participation with the same enthusiasm and his same systematic approach in the department activities, team building, picnics, and in picnics used to manage all the buddies with the father figure. So Patil sir, you are just all-rounder and a gem of a person. It was really good to have you with us, and we are always going to miss you all throughout our career. I wish you all the best in your future life. I know you are already a grandfather, a very good husband, a very good grandfather, and definitely a very good colleague. So I wish you all the best and keep in touch. Thank you.
Hi Dilip, we wish you a good retirement and thank you for all the good times in India and Korea. You are a good man and a great friend. Appreciate to get to know you.
Dear Dilip
Patil, wish
You healthy and
happy retirement.
right.